spaghetti.
Hand me the shampoo. That's the conditioner. Hand me the yellow bottle. Hi.
Hi, my name is Terry. This is my brother Filippo. Hi, ma'am. Would you be interested in purchasing a Crunch Bar?
How much?
$1.
Okay.
The money goes for children with cancer. Also, it's for Hodgkin's disease. Thanks.
Okay. Have a nice day. Some dessert.
Man, we be making all this money. Yeah, all the hoes like this. Yeah. A lot of teachers, too, so I wouldn't have to go to school no more. Tease people, too. Yeah, make them my friend, then I tease them with the money. They'll be my friends more often also. Yeah, we can have all this. We can be rich. We'll be going around teasing women and stuff. Yeah, selling candy, getting money. Just selling candy, getting money, making the greenbacks.